Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and today we're gonna learn how to delete transaction history on Apple Pay. To delete your transaction history on Apple Pay, you cannot erase individual transaction directly like you would in some other app. However, you can hide transaction and manage your records in following way. And there is another way, that is you can just delete or erase your debit card or credit card and add your card again. However, let's do the alternative way so that we can hide the transaction. So let's go to the Open Wallet app on iPhone and select card. Tap your card management and view transaction, scroll down recent transaction. So basically, while you cannot delete them, you can minimize further appearance of this transaction by managing the transaction in your Apple ID settings. So in the settings, your name, media and purchase, and look for purchase history. However, deleting specific detail from history isn't available. But for privacy reasons, covering up sensitive transactions or setting up app locks can be managed the visibility. But the other way around you have to do is you have to delete your card and then adding your card back again. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.